So have you ever had that feeling and it feels like success is meant for you, but it keeps slipping away because you don't have a college degree? In this video, I'm going to share with you some ways that you can become successful without a college degree. And if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Josh, and I upload videos every week about all things related to your finances. So if you care about your financial future, you care about your money, go ahead and obliterate that like button and click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. It is true that some careers out there require some kind of degree, but not having a college degree doesn't determine your level of success. Now, let's be clear. In this video, I'm not saying that education is not important, but what I am saying that a lack of a college degree should not stop you from accomplishing your dreams and your goals. But there are many people out there, they have college degrees that cost them well over $100,000, yet they still remain unemployed and underpaid. However, at the same time, there are many successful people out there today who have changed the world and they didn't have a college degree. We're talking about people like Steve Jobs, Joel Osteen, Tiger Woods, Bill Gates, Alicia Keys, Larry Ellison, Sean Combs, as we know as P. Diddy, Mark Zuckerberg, and even Vice President Dick Cheney. None of them graduated from college. However, they went on to do great things for the world. And again, this video is not trying to talk you out of going to college. That is not my intention. But in order to succeed and become successful without a college degree, first you should find a mentor. If you find someone that you really admire and someone that's doing the things that you hope to be doing one day, ask them to become your mentor. Now, they might not have enough of time to meet with you all the time. Maybe they can only meet with you once every 3 months over some coffee. But simply knowing that they're looking out for you can be enough to motivate you and to inspire you to do the things that they're doing. Maybe you are passionate about real estate. You don't even need a college degree to do real estate, but if you can find a mentor that can help show you the ropes and learn even faster and the tricks and the trades of the industry, that is enough to get you headed in the right direction. And even if you do have a college degree, finding a mentor can show you how you can also continue to grow, because you want to always surround yourself with like-minded people. Secondly, you should read as many books as you can get your hands on. Now, Elon Musk, we all know Elon Musk, the second richest man in the world at the time of this recording, the CEO of Tesla, SpaceX, the Boring Company, that Elon Musk. Now, Elon Musk, he wasn't a rocket engineer. However, he said that he read books all about rockets and how all of the components work, and now he's blasting rockets into space. Read anything and everything, especially if it's in your chosen career space. You can always learn more and broaden your knowledge about it. There are never enough of books that you can read because no amount of books are too many. Thirdly, learn how to leverage the power of the internet. You can learn just about how to do any and everything on the internet. You can use the internet to do your market research, create websites, establish a social media presence, and you can do so much more. All you need is really at your fingertips, and you can grow your skills and continue to build your knowledge with the power of the internet. And you have access to potential customers. We're talking about millions and millions and millions of customers, but you will have to learn how to take advantage of all of the free resources that's out there at your fingertips. And while we're on the internet, you can always take online courses and certifications. There's a saying that says the more you learn is the more you'll earn. You can take online courses these days for just about anything. Regardless of your educational background, by attending these type of programs, it can really take your career and your success to the next level, because now not only are you learning new material, you can also include these in courses on your resume, which on paper it will look like you're a more viable candidate and people will take you even more serious just because you took a certain course. I'm not diminishing just you taking the course, because you can always learn new skills and new trades in order to propel your business and propel your plan to the next level. And also you want to develop your negotiation skills, because negotiation is a very valuable skill for anyone who craves success. You will need to know how to do some type of negotiation at some point in your career, and people who know how to negotiate are naturally ahead of others. Hence, you should learn how to be a strong negotiator and get what you want. But let me be real for a second. The truth of the matter is the road to success is not always going to be easy. There's going to be bumps along the way. There's going to be detours set up. People will talk about you. They will shame you and they will put you down. But the only way that you're going to be able to succeed in spite of these challenges is that you don't give up and you continue to press ahead in spite of what everybody else may say. And I recently ran across this interview with Elon Musk and his advice resonated with me. This lesson in the interview is aimed toward entrepreneurs, but the final point can apply to just about anyone in most situations. And you can check that video out right over there on the top. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and that way you don't miss anything, and I will see you in the next video.